Hello everyone. Today I am hereby to give a presentation of annealing and mechanical properties of bulk Y, BA, CU and Wu. And now I will give a small introduction of myself. I am G. Sainath Reddy, having a pin number of 21955A2109. Now let us get into the topic. Introduction. The knowledge of materials and their properties is of great importance for a design engineering. A design engineering must be familiar with the effect which the manufacturing processes and heat treatment have on the properties of a material. The mechanical properties of a material are defined as those properties that influence the material to applied load. The mechanical properties are used to determine how a material will behave for a given application, and they are helpful in selection the materials for suitable conditions. Mechanical properties. The importance of mechanical properties are given below. There are 12 important mechanical properties. Now I will going to describe them. Number 1, strength. It is the ability of a material to resist the external applied force without breaking or yield. Number 2, stiffness. It is the ability of a material to resist deformation under stresses. Number 3, elasticity. It is the property of a material to regain its original shape after deformation when the external forces are removed. Number 4, plasticity. It is the property of a material which retains the deformation produced under load permanently. Number 5, ductility. It is the property of a material enabling it to be drawn into voids with the application of tensile force. Number 6, brittleness. It is the property of a material opposite to ductility. It is the property of breaking of material with little permanent distinguish. Number 7, malleability. It is a special case of ductility which permits materials to be rolled or hammered into tensions. Number 8, toughness. It is the property of a material to resist fracture under air impact blows like hammer blows. Number 9, resilience. It is the property of a material to absorb energy and to resist shocks and impact blow. Example of resilience is spring. And 10, creep. A slow and permanent deformation caused due to a constant stress at high temperature for a long period. An example for a creep is engine, 2-stroke diesel engine. And next 11, fatigue. Fatigue of a material takes place due to repeated stresses below the yield point stresses. Number 2, hardness. It is an important and essential mechanical property in which it imbues with different properties such as resistance to wear, scratching, deformation and machinability, etc. It can also means the ability of metal to cut another metal. Now, as you get a doubt, in the topic I said annealing and mechanical properties. I have give a small introduction on mechanical properties. Now I will able to give information about annealing. Annealing is a heat treatment process that is common in manufacturing because it improves the physical and sometimes chemical properties of metal, where it is used to increase the ductility of a material, and it is used to reduce the hardness to make it more workable. The annealing process requires the materials above its recrystallization temperature for a set amount of time before cooling. The cooling rate depends upon the type of material being annealed. The heat process causes atoms to migrate in the crystal lattice and the number of dislocations reduces, which leads to a change in ductility and hardness. The crystal grains and fins composition depends on the heating and cooling rates, and these, in turn, determine the material properties. Annealing works in 3 stages: the recovery stage, recrystallization stage, and the grain growth stage. This works as follows. Number 1, recovery stage. In this stage, where the furnace or other heating device is used to raise the temperature of a material to such a point that the internal stresses are revealed. Number 2, recrystallization stage. Heating the material above its recrystallization temperature but below its melting point causes new grains to form without any reducible stresses. Number 3, grain growth stage. Cooling the material in the specific grade causes new grains to develop, after which the material will be more workable. Now let us consider heat treatment temperature on cells. The figure gives an information about the heat treatment on phase diagram of steel, in which the x-axis represents carbon percentage, whereas the y-axis represents the temperature. In this figure, we can able to know the heat treatment temperature of different types of annealing, where the annealing are classified, means the types of annealing are. Annealing is one of the most important process of heat treatment of steel. Following are 4 types of annealing, where the annealing are classified into 4 types, and they are full annealing, process annealing, spheroidizing, and fusion annealing. Now let us get into a major topic, that is annealing and mechanical properties of Y, Ba, Cu and O, where Y stands for yttrium, Ba for barium, Cu for copper and O for oxygen. In this we can able to get the annealing and mechanical properties of yttrium, barium, copper and oxygen. Let us observe the table in which we can able to get the information about the mechanical and annealing properties of yttrium. For example, let us consider about yttrium. The yttrium has an atomic number of 39, and the element category of yttrium is transition metal, and the state of yttrium is solid, where the density of yttrium is 4.472 grams per centimeter cube, and the ultimate tensile strength of yttrium is 115 megapascals, and the yield strength of yttrium is 50 megapascals, and the Brill hardness for yttrium is 580 megapascals, and the Young's modulus of elasticity of yttrium is 63.5 gigapascals, and the melting point of yttrium is 1526 degrees Celsius, and boiling point of yttrium is 2930 degrees Celsius, so on. By observing the above table, we can able to get the annealing and mechanical properties of yttrium. Now let us consider the barium. Atomic number of barium is 56, and the element category of barium is alkyne metal, and the state of barium is solid. Density of a barium is 3.51 grams per centimeter cube, and the Brill hardness of barium is not applied, and Young's modulus of elasticity of barium is 13 gigapascals, and the melting point of a barium is 725 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of a barium is 1845 degrees Celsius, and the specific heat of a barium is 0.204 joule per kg Kelvin. Now let us consider copper. Atomic number of a copper is 29, and the element category of a copper is transition metal, and the state of copper is metal, and a copper has a density of 8.92 grams per centimeter cube, and the ultimate tensile strength of a copper is 210 megapascals, and the yield strength is 33 megapascals, and the Brill hardness is 250 megapascals. Young's modulus of elasticity is 120 gigapascals, so on. Now let us consider the oxygen. Atomic number of oxygen is 8, and the category is non-metal, and the state of oxygen is gas, and the oxygen has a density of 0.00143 grams per centimeter cube, and the melting point of oxygen is minus 218.4 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point of oxygen is minus 183 degrees Celsius, etc. From the above graphs, we can able to get annealing and mechanical properties of yttrium, barium, copper, oxygen in briefly. Thanks for visiting.